The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, trip computer, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats, child safety locks, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, brake assist, rear head airbag, front disc rear drum brakes. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.